and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around my way.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be inspired by this collection of Pinterest pics. I really wanted a baby fat rock-aware dairy-on type dress to wear for the summer. This is the skirt that I'm going to be using for the transformation. I bought the skirt on Depop for about $3 and it is very stretchy. It is pretty see-through, so there is a lining in it. It is so comfortable, it's so cute. I really love the pattern and the blue and the brown. It is so perfect. It is giving me very much 90s or 2000s. My skirt doesn't have a tag in it anywhere, but the lady who sold it to me listed it as a size medium. If you want it to be a little more baggier, then you can go up a size. To achieve the dress, I'm going to put my skirt on upside down. So my waistband is down where my knees are. I'm going to go ahead and pull it all the way up. And I'm going to make armholes, but to simulate the armholes, I'm going to use safety pins just to hold it. I'm going to do it on both sides. I want this to be an off-the-shoulder kind of dress, so it's going to be a little wider at the top. After pinning up both sides to your liking, you can play around with the dress to make it sit the way you like it to sit. Here I'm just showing you that I'm going to seam rip a little bit of the seam so that I have more room under the arm. Because I forgot to pin under the arm how far I wanted it to go, my seam ripping, I'm going to use this shirt as a guide just to make my armhole not too big. And I'm going to close up the top corner to make it like a little shoulder piece, so it's not completely open at the top. After these two little cuts and a seam line down each shoulder, this has easily become the easiest DIY dress ever. It's just an upside down skirt, and then you can add a belt around the waist to kind of give it some more shape. And this is how my dress turned out. I wore it as a shirt and I wore it as a dress. As the shirt, the only thing I did to make it a hood was pull it up and bobby pin it to my hair for it to stay. I do want to know what you guys think about it. Would you try it? Let me know in the comments. I think it's really cute. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I don't know, it's just something about it that made me feel like I was in a 2000s music video.